In this lesson, we'll be styling links using CSS. A link can have 4 different states: unvisited, visited, hover, and active. An unvisited link means the user has not yet clicked on the link. A visited link means the user has clicked on the link. The hover state is when the user's mouse is hovering over the link. The active state is the exact moment that the link is clicked. Knowing this is important because we need to define a style rule for each state. On our HTML page here on the left, we can see an example of how this is done. To identify a link, we start with the A property followed by a colon. Next, we specify the state. We've started with just the default state, link. We've set the color to red with no text decoration, and we can see that in our web browser. The color is red and there's no underline or any other form of text decoration. The hover link has a color rule set to purple, as well as a text decoration set to underline and background color set to yellow. So let's see the effect that produces. You can see the background is yellow. The text changes from red to purple and it is now underlined. When the link is clicked, we can see that the selected link property activates. So when we click it, the purple or the red changes to blue. Lastly, we have a visited link property with color set to blue. That means if somebody were to visit the link that this link points to, then the red would automatically default to blue because it would now be considered a visited link.